Here's a 1972 Ford Galaxie 500 that's been restored to mirror what one would have looked like in service in 1972. Beautiful car. Has 351 Cleveland, automatic. It was donated to the sheriff's office and in honor of Grady Judd, who's currently the sheriff of Polk County. He's been in that office for a long time. So it's very nice to have a commemoration like that. There we go. So it has a white and green color scheme of the sheriff's office. So this isn't a patrol car originally, but it's been made up to look like one. And as we turn the corner, we'll see a representation of the person who it was named for. There he is, Grady Judd. Very nicely done. And there you can see some of the police equipment they would have. It's amazing that an individual does such a fine job, really, to merit being in the sheriff's office for all that time.